Why do some relationships thrive, while others simply fall apart? For a long time, we believed the most important thing was fighting better, but maybe the real secret is simply learning how to argue a lot less often. What if everything we've been taught about conflict in marriage is wrong, and the true secret to a lasting love is found somewhere else entirely? The secret to a strong friendship is really about the quality of your bond and how you consistently show up for each other on a daily basis. This whole concept is founded on truly groundbreaking scientific research and hard data, not just some random person's unsubstantiated opinion. To truly understand what makes relationships work, we carefully studied the real-life interactions of thousands of actual couples. Have you ever wondered about the science of lasting love? We're about to explore the fascinating reasons some connections stand the test of time. We're about to explore the powerful and practical daily habits that emotionally intelligent couples use to build a truly strong and lasting connection. These small daily practices might seem insignificant, but they are what build the foundation for a truly deep and meaningful bond. A bond so powerful and so resilient it can weather any storm that life might throw your way, knowing you will always have each other's support. Now we're going to look at the 7 fundamental principles that are essential for making a happy and successful marriage that lasts a lifetime. Here you will find the definitive roadmap for creating a wonderfully happy and deeply connected partnership that is built to thrive for a lifetime. Idea 1. Enhance your love maps. Enhancing your love maps means knowing your partner's inner world. It's like studying a detailed map of their deepest hopes, fears, and dreams. This principle is about genuine curiosity. You learn their favorite things, what stresses them out, and who their friends are in their life. A rich love map is a continuous process, not a destination. People constantly change, so your understanding of them must always evolve and grow with them. To keep your map updated, you must keep asking questions. Maintain a genuine interest in understanding them on a much deeper level than before. Keep conversation alive, because even daily chats while cooking or before bed are opportunities to deepen and grow your personal love map. The information you gather helps you to be more empathetic. You can understand their unique perspective and see the world through their eyes. This understanding allows you to express love in ways they truly appreciate. This fosters a deeper connection and real intimacy between you. So be curious, talk openly, and show empathy. Your partner is always evolving, and understanding them is a journey that never truly ends.
Before we continue the video, let's be honest about reading. If you're a visual learner, trying to force your way through a book can be painful. Reading a full book can feel impossible because your brain craves visual stimulation, and words on a page just don't provide that spark. But with the BookWatch app, you can absorb an entire book in just 15 minutes with our animated book summaries. We create engaging visuals that match exactly how your brain works for thousands of books. Start learning the way your brain is truly meant to. Download the BookWatch app free with the link in the description, or search BookWatch in the App Store. Also, if you are enjoying our free content on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Idea 2. Nurture your fondness and admiration. This principle is about nurturing the respect, affection, and admiration you have for your partner, even through conflict and disagreements. Admiration and fondness are the very foundation of your relationship, creating a protective buffer to absorb the shock of any disagreement. When you genuinely admire your partner and consistently show it, you're not just strengthening your bond, you're building a truly powerful sense of security. It's about appreciating the small things. Maybe it's their infectious laugh, their dedication to their work, or just their amazing cooking skills. Cherish your entire shared history, remembering the joyful moments and the difficult struggles you have successfully overcome together as one. Reflecting on these memories with warmth can reignite positive feelings. It serves to reinforce and deeply strengthen your unique connection. Choosing to see your partner's best qualities isn't about ignoring problems. It's about breaking the habit of hyper-focusing on every single flaw. While feeling fondness and admiration is wonderful, it becomes truly meaningful only when you communicate those positive feelings openly. You can demonstrate how much you truly care with words of affection, meaningful acts of kindness, or any other thoughtful gesture that is from the heart. Regularly reminding your partner that you see, appreciate, and value them will significantly enhance the love and respect in your relationship. Idea 3. Turn toward each other instead of away. Turning toward means responding to a partner's bids for connection by being present and showing you care about what truly matters in their world. A bid is any attempt to get your attention, interest, and support. It can be a question, a gesture, a joke, or even something as simple as a sigh. Imagine your partner shares something exciting. You can engage with them, asking questions and sharing their joy. This is turning toward them. Dismissing your partner's comment, changing the subject, or just ignoring them are all subtle but clear examples of what we call turning away. Turning toward isn't dropping everything. A simple smile, a nod, or a few interested words shows you are engaged and that you truly care. Every time you turn towards your partner, you're making a deposit in your emotional bank account, building a deep reservoir of trust and connection. This emotional reservoir is vital during conflict. It provides a foundation of security and a reminder of your strong underlying connection. Regularly turning toward one another fosters deep friendship by attuning you to each other's inner worlds and personal experiences. This process makes you both feel seen, heard, and valued, building the true foundation for a powerful and lasting bond that you can share together. Idea 4. Let your partner influence you. Accepting influence is about mutual respect and shared power. It means valuing your partner's insights and perspectives in your shared life. This isn't about giving up control. It's about valuing their wisdom and asking for their opinion before you make a final decision. It means truly listening to your partner during a disagreement and making sure to acknowledge their feelings and their unique perspective. Accepting influence is built on a foundation of trust and respect. You must trust that they have the relationship's best interests at heart. This principle is fundamentally about vulnerability, a willingness to let go of the need to be right, and the constant desire to always be in control. For a relationship to work, influence must be a two-way street, meaning your partner must also be open to your perspective and guidance. It's not about blindly agreeing on everything, but engaging constructively and respecting their perspective even when you hold a different view. This creates a partnership of shared decision-making where mutual respect and cooperation are essential for a healthy, thriving relationship. Idea 5. Solve your solvable problems. Some relationship problems can be solved, while others are perpetual. Learning to tell them apart is the first step toward a healthier partnership. Solvable problems are often situational, like who does the chores. They aren't about fundamental personality clashes that define who you are. You can spot a solvable problem if the conflict repeats, but the context changes. It's the same argument, just about a different specific task. Start the conversation gently, without blame. Use I statements to express your feelings instead of you statements that sound like an attack. Have a real dialogue where you both share your perspectives. The goal isn't to be right, but to truly understand your partner's feelings and needs. Once you both feel heard, it's time to brainstorm solutions. Be open-minded and willing to compromise to find a plan that works for you both. A solution is only good if you follow through on it. Keeping your promises resolves the issue, and more importantly, builds incredible trust. Tackling your solvable problems frees up energy and reduces conflict. This creates an environment of compromise, trust, and shared problem-solving. Idea 6. Overcome gridlock. Gridlock is about those persistent, unsolvable fights. These arguments often stem from fundamental differences in your life dreams and values. Most of these deep conflicts come from unfulfilled dreams. Your core hopes and aspirations feel unacknowledged or disrespected by your partner. The first step is to uncover the dreams hiding behind the conflict. This requires an open, non-judgmental conversation where both feel safe. Once identified, discuss your dreams openly without fear of dismissal. It's okay to have different dreams. It doesn't mean you're incompatible. Search for common ground, where your aspirations can meet and find a way to honor both paths together without one of you giving up on your own. Overcoming gridlock is a process that doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, understanding, and many repeated discussions over time. Create temporary compromises to alleviate immediate tension. These small steps show goodwill and a commitment to working towards a shared solution. Navigating gridlock with patience and respect prevents it from overwhelming you. It lets you coexist harmoniously with your different dreams. Idea 7. Create shared meaning. Building a unique culture for your relationship is like constructing a shared life story, filled with your own goals, values, and special beliefs. It isn't just about the big goals, it's about the small daily rituals you build together, like making pancakes every Sunday morning. These shared rituals become powerful symbols of your connection, transforming a simple me and you into a much more meaningful sense of us. To create this meaning, you must talk openly about what matters most. Discuss your values, your dreams, and how you envision your life together. This isn't just one conversation, but an ongoing dialogue. It evolves as you both grow and change throughout the different seasons of your life. Maintaining your special rituals is vital. They become sacred anchors, constantly reminding you of your connection and your shared, unique journey. It also means supporting each other's individual dreams. You weave your separate narratives into a shared story that honors both of your ambitions. Shared meaning is often forged during tough times. Navigating challenges together reinforces the powerful idea that you are truly a united team. It's a beautiful process of crafting a mutual narrative. This story strengthens your bond and fosters a deep sense of belonging and unbreakable unity.